Here's the crazy part. Right now, someone with a phone and a basic setup can hit 100,000 subscribers in a few months, while someone else uploads every week for years and stays stuck. The difference usually isn't talent or expensive equipment. It's understanding how YouTube tests your videos. If you're not getting views, it's not automatically because your videos are bad. Most of the time, you're simply not sending the algorithm the signals it needs to confidently recommend you. In this video, I'll break down YouTube's testing system and the 5 signals that make YouTube push a video harder. Think of the YouTube algorithm like a distribution engine. It doesn't guess, it tests. Every upload goes through a series of audience tests, and your performance decides how far the video travels. The moment your video goes live, YouTube shows it to a small group first, usually subscribers, returning viewers, and people most likely to click. Then YouTube watches what happens. Do they click? Do they keep watching? Do they engage? Likes, comments, shares. If the first group responds well, YouTube expands the test to a larger pool, people who watch videos like yours but don't know you yet. If the video keeps performing, YouTube scales it. That's when videos blow up. Censor is tendence. The algorithm mainly reacts to 3 buckets: clicks, your packaging, watch time and retention, your content delivery, viewer satisfaction, likes, comments, surveys, returning viewers. Signal number 1 is momentum. YouTube doesn't just evaluate single videos, it learns your channel's recent performance. When a video performs above your normal baseline, your next upload often gets tested harder and shown to more people early. Signal 2 is building a content web. YouTube connects your long videos, shorts, playlists, and community posts. The more connected entry points you create, the easier it is for viewers to discover you and binge your content. Signal 3 is positioning your video next to proven winners. YouTube recommends videos that go together. If your video matches the viewing pattern of a popular video in your niche, you can appear as the next recommended watch. Signal 4 is timing, and most creators ignore it. The first 24 hours are when YouTube runs the strongest tests. You want your ideal viewers to hit the video quickly so the system sees a spike of strong early activity. Signal 5 is becoming known for one specific topic. YouTube is better than ever at categorizing creators by precise subjects. If your channel is scattered across random topics, YouTube can't confidently recommend you. Here's the truth. YouTube isn't random. It's a testing system. Win the test by improving clicks, retention, and satisfaction, and the platform will scale you. If this helped you understand the algorithm, support the channel. Hit like, subscribe, and comment the niche you're building.